Hey, Denver, hit a kickflip. There you go. Denver. Denver. Okay. Denver, if you could be anybody other than yourself, who would it be? It'd be you, Alex. If I could be anybody, it'd be you. I mean, you're like the coolest guy I know. You're so handsome, and so if I could choose anybody to be, I mean, it'd be you. Yeah, I think the same, man. I mean,
you know what, Alex? This is what we're gonna do. You can make a shot.
Oh, Mr. Cocky. Let's.
You know what? From where my crusty toes are,
We'll take this to the betting
I
side.
will get you that Roomba for your new
Are you done?
apartment that you've been talking about.
Because
Yes, but
it's time to make it. It's time to play with the big boys.
the hoverboard, baby.
So,
are you gonna get your hoverboard?
dude, okay.
Yes, sir.
But you're trash at shooting a basketball.
Where do you want it? I'll set my skateboard.
If you can make it from
Crusty
where my
toe
foot
McGee
is,
right there.
Alright, is that
don't
fine?
mind my dirty shoes.
I mean, it's fine for me.
Where my
It's fine
foot
for you.
is,
Okay, so if I make it, you give me a Roomba.
I'll get you a Roomba.
If
I
miss,
will
I
get
your
you
hoverboard?
Yep.
that
Shake on it.
Roomba.
Or Bloomba or whatever it's called.
Roomba.
Roomba.
Get
Okay.
there first, folks.
So
And
if I make it from right there, you'll give me a Roomba.
Yeah, but if you miss it, guess what you got to get me?
A hoverboard?
There you go.
Alright,
All
I'll
right.
get you a hoverboard if I miss. If I make it, you give me a Roomba.
Okay.
Alright.
You got little cold hands.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Wah.
Let's go! Let's go!
This is the saddest day of my life right now.
Give me a Roomba!
I've never been so let down that you've actually accomplished something in your life for once.
Let's go.
They're playing basketball
all around the
We
world.
love their basketball
To the beach,
They're
y'all.
playing basketball
Let's go. All around the
We love
world.
their
Y'all know.
What is that? Denver! Denver! Huh. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm about to ask you. Oh my gosh. Damn, what do you think about that, Denver? Okay, stop. It's my baby. California Burrito Company. The best Cali burritos in the Southwest. So how is it? No?
Disappointed, obviously, honestly.
Oh my god. That's bad. Alright, so there it is. It's not the best California burrito in Southern California, so. They actually just call him first. Hello? Hello?
Hey man, I got your Roomba.
My Roomba? Where you at?
I'm coming around right now.
You're outside?
Yeah.
Alright, bet. My Roomba? Let's go open it.
I actually kind of want to see that thing work. You got batteries?
Huh?
You have to have batteries?
No.
What?
Oops, excuse me. Oops, excuse me. Hey, thanks for the Roomba, Denver. Dear God.
You're welcome.
Going. We're going to Vaughn's! What are you drinking, Denver?
Big Weick.
You're not gonna drink a man's beer?
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Guys, thanks for watching. Hold on, let me go do the outro with Denver real fast. Hey, Denver. Denver?
What?
Hey, I'm trying to do the outro.
Let's do it then.
Alright, let's do it. Thanks for watching the vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. I know I enjoyed my new Roomba. Thanks, Denver. But stay tuned for next vlog. It's mine and his birthday next week. I got a surprise for him. So stay tuned and see what that surprise is. And we're all going to Vegas on the weekend. So stay tuned for that vlog. Thanks. We're out.
Cause I ride for my clique, I get live with my clique, go get high with my clique, do it die for my clique.